Another day of work. We got this wall put up yesterday. Well, about 80% of it. And we was gonna paint today, but now it's raining. And it's rained last night and it's raining right now. So I'm gonna get started and work on this wall right here. This wall right here on this bedroom. I'm gonna put it right here, and then I'm gonna leave, cut it out and frame in a door over here. All right, I got that one done. That one right there, that's my 4-foot mark. When I put the OSB up, I'll just have to put that one on first and then put that wall on, because if I put that one on first, it's gonna throw that off. So I'll do that, and I kind of spreaded them out a little bit. They're not quite 2-foot centers, but I spreaded them out to a because that's just going to be a wall. I mean, it's not going to be anything. May have a TV on it or something, but that's about it. So it don't have to be really that structured of a wall, just enough to hold a few pictures or something. So this over here will be the doorway. All right, this is my ending point. We're done for this trip. This is the wall by the porch. Comes around to the first window. That's the window that we moved. That was originally on the cabin, or that we added to the cabin, but it was there. That's the new window right there. That was a new window that we had bought about a year ago. We put it in for that bedroom right there. So this will be the doorway right here. And then this bedroom will be, it's basically 11.5 by 8. So we'll be able to put a good, a queen bed there and have room over here for, right over in this area for a table and set, luggage and stuff on. But all this right here, this is the wall. All this right here will be just added living room space. So we got some planning to do. We was gonna knock that wall out right there, but now she don't know, she wants to knock the whole wall out. So we might just go back this way to about right here and knock this out to that point, and then save all that wall there. And that's just a temporary door that I put on so we can save our air conditioning and make sure to keep bugs and stuff out if any was to come in. And when we leave, I'll screw it shut. And I have some stuff that you put on pipes during the winter, and I split it down the middle, and then I put it under this piece of siding that a strip of siding, That way it's flexible when that door opens. And it kind of seals it off pretty good too. We're gonna cut a piece to slide on that bottom as when we leave. That way nothing is coming in underneath it. And then the rest of it that I have screws in is pretty tight up against that wall. So that's basically it for the room. Till next time, I'm not for sure the next step we're gonna do. At some point I have to work on electrical before we get too far, so that could be my next job, is running the electrical to it.